Hello students, in the subject hospital and clinical pharmacy, today we are going to a new type of chapter that is called surgical dressing. Surgical dressing are curatio term applied to the material which are used for dressing of the wound. These materials basically protective, absorbent, protective or support for the disease for injured tissue. There are certain properties about the surgical dressing. These may be poured to water vapors, capable of absorbing excess secretion, should not adhere to the wound surface, interfere with the wound healing, they produce issue reaction impervious to the microorganism, have the smooth surface, good tensile strength, capable of preventing excessive movement of the wound. Next, the surgical dressing which include that is called primary wound dressing. The material which include in that these are called absorbent, bandage, adhesive tape and protective. In case of primary wound dressing, the dressing placed in contact with the wound surface, usually reinforced by other suitable material, the purpose to absorb the wound secretion and minimize maceration. For example, the absorbent gauze or surgical gauze or plain gauze. What we call a surgical gauze. It is also called a absorbent gauze. Absorbenting material has sufficient tensile strength for surgical dressing. It is prepared from raw cotton. After cleaning, it is spun into thread woven, and open mesh cloth. The cloth is bleached with made absorbent. The absorbent gauze have lower mesh size, so some dressing needs a close mesh gauze for greater orientation and strength than protect. The use of surgical gauze is after surgery to drain exudate from major wound. It will use to pack dental saw, sinus. Then it will use to remove the damaged pus without damaging the tissue. Absorbents are mainly employed for absorbing blood and fluid of injured tissue and other discharge. Example for that is a surgical cotton, eye pad or sanitary napkin. In case of eye pad, they are designed in manner comfortable to the eye, made up of non-woven fabric plastic material, provide a sterile pack. The sanitary napkins are called V-pad or maternity pad and obstacle pad. These have ability to hold high fluid. The napkin made up of non-woven fabric. The side and outer surface of the napkin consists water repellent material. In case of bandage, these are used to dressing or hold in place to provide support and pressure. The example for those, the common gauze roller bandage, muslin bandage, elastic bandage. Various types of bandage are like common gauze roller bandage. This is made up of surgical absorbent type gauze available in various sizes. They regionally free from loose thread. Muslin bandage, These are reasonably strong, used where the common gauze bandage does not provide adequate or support. Elastic bandage or different types are employed for specific use. Woven elastic bandage, these are made up of webbing and contain rubber threads. The crepe bandage does not contain rubber and elastic but extend to roughly twice its strength. The elasticity is due to specific or special weaving. It will be used for bandaging varicose vein. The adhesive tape are made up of different type varying in their board. Formulation of adhesive mass depend on the use of requirement. Adhesive tapes are mainly two types: rubber based adhesive tape or acrylated adhesive tape. Next point we have plaster. These are employed in different conditions. Rubber based adhesive Rubber based adhesive tapes are cheaper, used when maximum adhesiveness and baking strength is required. Examples for those are capsicum plaster, zinc oxide adhesive plaster, belladonna plaster, and belladonna and capsicum plaster. Next is protective and absorbent cotton. The absorbent cotton consists of epidermal trichome on the seed of cultivated species of Gossypium, Herbaceum, Barbadans, and other species. Description about the absorbent cotton that will be occur in a white soft fine filament like hair. The hairs are unicellular, 2.5 to 4.5 centimeter in length, 40 centimeter wide. It is colorless and it offers appreciable resistance when pulled and does not shed a significant quantity of dust. It is used for surgical dressing purpose, hence the qualify the standard of evaluation as per the pharmacopoeia. The identification test for the absorbent cotton. A single fiber of absorbent cotton is examined under linear microscope to measure the length and diameter along with the shape of the absorbent cotton kernel. A chemical test also provide, that means it treatment with iodinated zinc chloride solution fiber becomes violet, observed under microscope. Treatment with the zinc chloride solution